Hi, I'm Rob Kooijmans of Flavor Shield. In this short video, I'm going to share some typical results of ozone treatment on fruits and vegetables. Let's have a brief look at the topics. First, I will discuss the typical results of ozone treatment that we achieve. Next, I will show you some examples of strawberries, of blackberries, and of avocados, and of broccoli. And we'll close up with a summary. So first of all, the typical results that we achieve with our ozone treatment unit. Depending on the produce, we achieve a 30 to 100% increase of shelf life of the produce that is being treated. But next to the longer shelf life, we also see that the produce has a lasting peak of freshness. So all the produce stays as fresh as it was at the time of the treatment. Of course, we cannot make it more fresh, but the freshness at the time of the treatment remains for an extended time. And this allows the grower to harvest ripe or riper produce. Next to this, our treatment system does leave no residues, because all ozone, in the end, if it's not used, falls back to oxygen. There's also no off-taste or no off-color of the produce. So in essence, we can guarantee excellent product quality with very fresh produce which has an extended shelf life. And here are some of the results. On the left, you see strawberries which has been treated with ozone, and on the right, you see strawberries which have not been treated. And of course, 5 days after the treatment, the results are not yet clear. But if you take a longer period, for example, 21 or 26 days after the treatment, that's where the results become really clear. Again, on the left-hand side, you see the ozone-treated strawberries, and on the right-hand side, you see the untreated strawberries. And the same thing holds true for blackberries. This is the picture after 5 days. On the left-hand side, the treated product, and on the right-hand side, the product that hasn't been treated. And again, after 23 days, the results start to be clear. And they become more clearer, of course, after 26 days, where the treated blackberries on the left are still totally fresh, whereas on the right, the untreated berries have already started spoiling. We see the same thing with avocados. In this picture, you see untreated avocados which were tested after 48 days. And as the picture shows, they are really not okay anymore. This picture shows an avocado which was treated with ozone after 48 days, and it still appears totally fresh. And also with broccoli, we get the same results. On the left, you see broccoli which was not treated, and on the right, you see broccoli that was treated. And this is over an 11-day period. And these are the typical results that we achieve on fresh fruits and vegetables. So in summary, depending on the produce, we can achieve a 30 to 100% increase of shelf life, and the produce will have a lasting peak of freshness, which means that all produce stays as fresh as it was at the time of treatment. It also allows the grower to harvest ripe or riper produce. There are no residues, and there's no off-taste or off-color.